Ever locked yourself out of your Newton account? That sinking feeling when you realize you've forgotten your password? We've all been there. It's frustrating, it's inconvenient, and it can feel a little bit scary, especially when you're dealing with important financial information. But don't worry, it happens, and resetting your Newton password is a straightforward process. In this video, we're going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take to regain access to your account quickly and securely. Before we dive in, it's important to understand why password resets are necessary. Think of your password as the key to your digital vault. It's the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your personal and financial data. Forgetting your password means the key is temporarily misplaced, not that the vault is gone. The reset process is designed to verify that you are the legitimate owner of the account, ensuring that only you can regain access. It's a security measure, albeit one that can be a little stressful when you're on the receiving end. Now, let's get down to business. How do you reset your Newton password? The process is designed to be user-friendly, but it's crucial to follow the steps carefully to avoid any hiccups. We'll cover everything from start to finish, so you can confidently regain access to your account. First, you'll need to navigate to the Newton login page. This is where you would normally enter your email and password to access your account. However, since you've forgotten your password, look for a link that says something along the lines of "Forgot Password" or "Reset Password." The exact wording might vary slightly, but it will be prominently displayed near the login fields. Click on this link. This will redirect you to a password reset page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Newton account. Double-check that you're entering the correct email address. Typos are a common culprit when password resets fail. Once you've entered your email, click the Submit or Request Reset button. Now, here's where things get interesting. Newton will send a password reset email to the address you provided. This email will contain a unique link that you need to click to initiate the reset process. It's crucial to check your inbox promptly, as this link usually has an expiration date. If you don't see the email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, these automated emails can get filtered out. If you still can't find it, you might need to contact Newton support directly, which we'll discuss later. Once you've located the password reset email, click on the link within the email. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password for your Newton account. Here are some important tips for choosing a strong and secure password. Make it long. The longer your password, the harder it is to crack. Aim for at least 12 characters, but even longer is better. Use a mix of characters, combined uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A complex password is much more difficult for hackers to guess. Avoid personal information. Don't use easily guessable information like your name, birthday, or pet's name. These are common targets for hackers. Don't reuse passwords. Use a unique password for your Newton account that you don't use for any other online services. This prevents a security breach on one platform from compromising your other accounts. Use a password manager. Consider using a password manager to securely store and manage your passwords. These tools can generate strong passwords for you and remember them so you don't have to. After you've created your new password, you'll typically be asked to confirm it by entering it a second time. This ensures that you've typed it correctly and prevents accidental typos. Once you've confirmed your new password, click the Submit or Change Password button. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Newton password. You should now be able to log into your account using your new credentials. Take a moment to make sure you can access your account and that everything is working as expected. Now, what if you encounter problems during this process? What if you don't receive the password reset email? Or what if you're having trouble creating a new password? In these situations, don't hesitate to contact Newton support. They are there to help you resolve any issues you may encounter. You can usually find contact information on the Newton website or within the app. Be prepared to provide them with some information to verify your identity, such as your name, email address, and possibly your account number. One last thing to remember, be wary of phishing scams. These are fraudulent emails that try to trick you into revealing your personal information, such as your password. Newton will never ask you for your password directly in an email. If you receive an email that seems suspicious, don't click on any links and contact Newton support immediately. Always access the Newton website directly by typing the address into your browser, rather than clicking on links in emails. Resetting your password can seem daunting, but by following these steps, you can quickly and securely regain access to your Newton account. Remember the importance of a strong, unique password and don't hesitate to reach out to Newton support if you need assistance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.